Hey, welcome to Sean's Boosted Garage. Today, I got to take the driver's side valve cover off my 4.64 valve mod motor in my '03 Mustang. It's a bit of a job to get it done. So, anyways, I'll bring you along in the journey of getting that finished. It's yeah, it's some work. I've already done the job actually. This video that you're gonna see is me having experienced the job. So, anyways, have a look. All right. Here's a little update. I don't know how long I've been working here, maybe an hour. It's going pretty good, really. Getting this valve cover off, some people say is a pain, but I read where some people said that that if you took like the injectors out, then it would give you more room, I think, to move it this way to be able to get it. Because what happens, I guess, is it gets caught up here on this on that connector and I think the reservoir as well. So I just saw from a few other people that I think if I can get it to go this way, it should slide out. So we'll see. The passenger side one is no problem to get off. And I'll let you know how this valve cover removal goes. And that's going to be, I hear some people say it's the biggest pain in the world. Some guys got to go underneath their dash and basically unbolt the whole booster assembly and pull it back and get it closer to the strut tower. So you just need a little extra room is what it really seems like. So anyways, we'll see if that works or not. Okay, working away at this valve cover. So I did have to unbolt the master cylinder. It does give you a little more room here. I'm hoping that's enough. This connector is nearly impossible to get off. Guys are saying that. I guess it's right. I guess it's true. Anyways, I got one bolt left to get. I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyways, it's back there. So maybe I can just put my ratchet in there with a short, shallow socket and see what we can do. So anyways, those are, if you're just wondering, these are 13 millimeters. This is 14 millimeters to get that, the nut off the back of that. Plus there's one down low. You can even see it, but that's, that of course is a bolt and a nut. And it's not great to try to get out, so can you even see it? Yeah, right there. So I got it out most of the way, and then sort of had to, I just pushed the master cylinder to the side just to put tension on the bolt, so the bolt would stay stationary and I could get the nut off. So you just got to try stuff like that to try to get it off. So anyways, I'll work away at this some more. And we'll come back when I get this valve cover off, and then I'll show you how I did it, because doesn't seem to be any real consensus on how to do it. This guy's with all kinds of different ideas. So anyways, I'm hoping this will be the one. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, I got the valve cover off. You do have to unbolt the Hydro Boost unit from the wall. Even then, it's not super easy to get the valve cover off, but at least it'll come. So you need to get the bolts underneath the dash. Just take a 13mm ratchet wrench with you and a pair of needle nose pliers, because there's a little spring. You have to pull a little clip off and able to unhook the master cylinder from the master cylinder plunger rod from the brake pedal, so that you can pull it out further. So anyways, that's what you got to do. I tried unbolting just the master cylinder, like the reservoir, like this unit here, and just not enough room. It's tight back here, so there's no way around it. You have to remove the Hydro Boost unit. Or other guys, some guys will, you can either jack the motor up on this side or you can lower on this side, whatever you got to do to make some room. But anyways, I just elected to do the Hydro Boost. It wasn't horrible. I did have to take my seat out though, because I just can't fit. I'm not a skinny guy. I can't fit underneath there. So anyway, so that one's off. Next to come off is this one. Everyone says this is the easy one, so we'll see. Should be though, really. There's nothing that in the way, I don't think. Anyways, we'll see. Okay, that valve cover's off. Definitely easier than the other side, but it's tight back here. Now, I auto swapped this car, if you've watched my channel. So this car did not come with an automatic in it, but I put one in it. And couldn't quite find the right dipstick tube, so I got this one. So that might have been part of the problem. So that maybe that's just not routed up through there properly, but it seemed like the valve cover might have been getting caught on. This is the heater core, in and out on the heater core. So anyways, if you twist it just right, it will come out. Hey, so thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know, I guess from what you've seen in the video there, that I think moving the Hydro Boost is really the only option. I didn't even bother trying with lifting the motor up and down. I just didn't see how that would help. I know some people say it does, but I just didn't see that for myself. So yeah, so just unbolt the Hydro Boost from the firewall, pull it as far to the driver's side as you possibly can. I put some zip ties on it to hold it kind of out of the way, so I could free up a hand. The whole premise of me removing that valve cover was because I had to take the head off. I had to take the head off because number 6 cylinder has got low compression, and it's got low compression because it's got a broken piston. Yeah, right there. So I guess I'm into an engine build. So I've already got the engine out actually, and disassembled, and now I'm cleaning it. There's all the parts there. Heads are there. Block is right behind me. And yeah, so gonna be it'll be a multi-part situation here. So yeah, so I've already talked to Diamond Pistons. Got another piston on order. I measured everything up. So I measured the pistons up, I measured the cylinders against the pistons, and they're happy with the clearance I have, piston to wall clearance on the cylinders. So yeah, so it's just a whole bunch of cleaning. I'm not going to show you that. That's pretty boring. Whole bunch of cleaning, but when I get to the point of checking clearances and all that, I'll take you through all that, show you how to set up a dial bore gauge, and how to measure bearing clearances without using plastic gauge. We're going to use a dial bore gauge, and that's, to me, that is the most accurate way of doing it. So anyways, again, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Bye.